In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a database in Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to organize everything from your personal notes to complex projects. One of its powerful features is the ability to duplicate databases, which can be a real time saver when you're managing similar datasets or want to experiment without affecting your original work. Let's dive into the process step by step. To start, you'll want to make sure you're in the right place by heading over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is the hub for all your wikis, documents, and projects. If you're not there yet, open Notion in your browser or app, and let's get started. Once you're in your workspace, the first thing you'll need to do is log in. Simply click on the Login button and enter your credentials. This will take you to your Notion home, where you can view and manage all your current workspaces and pages. Feel free to pause the video if you need an extra moment to catch up or troubleshoot any login issues. Now that you're at your Notion home, our task is to locate the Teamspaces section. Look for the Teamspaces tab in the sidebar menu on the left side of your screen. This is especially useful if you're working on collaborative projects or your database is part of a larger team effort. With Teamspaces open, you'll be able to see a list of databases you've created or have access to. Click on the particular database you want to duplicate. Remember, databases in Notion can contain a lot of critical information, like project details, tasks, schedules, and more. So make sure you're selecting the right one. With your database open, your next move is to find the three-dot icon, often referred to as the More Options menu. It should be located at the top right corner of the database screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu, providing you with several options related to managing your database. Here's where the magic happens. In that drop-down menu, you'll see the option labeled Duplicate. Click on Duplicate, and Notion will automatically start creating a complete copy of your selected database. This copy will appear in the same workspace, preserving all the data, layouts, and configurations of the original. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a database in Notion. This new database can now be modified independently, allowing you to test changes, archive data, or simply organize information better without affecting your original data. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful and that it makes your workflow much smoother. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and see you in the next video.